Naples, Florida, after Milton. She didn't do a lot. Not here, at least. A little debris here and there, that's about it. Fifth Avenue down here, downtown Naples. Pulling in. I don't think it was too bad over here. I don't think it was too bad. But as you drive down this coast, I'm sure you see the damage done. Telemundo there, I believe. Oh man, it's ugly. I think roads are pretty cleared here in Naples. It was said all this to have water. I don't know how true that is. I'm sure there was some water in here at some point. But it's not flooded to where it's bad. You know, you can still get back here. Okay, so we see the cops up there. They're obviously not letting anyone through. Flood starts here. And I'm guessing it just gets worse. Yeah, so you can't go any further than 2nd Street. 2nd Street South. This is for as far as you could go. You live here, downtown area. Oh my God. Yeah, it's bad. Yeah, definitely water. There's definitely water. Sucks, bro. Really quick shot here. So this is 2nd Street, downtown Naples, Florida. Yeah, it's bad. It's bad. Yeah, it's bad. And I'm guessing as you go further up the coast, it just gets worse. Shit's everywhere. It's fucking everywhere. So yeah, if you live down here, it's pretty bad. You definitely got at least 4 to 5 foot of water at some point. But they're drivable. Roads are drivable. Naples, Florida, downtown.